Today we're looking at another robot vacuum, this time the Vac Max by Yeedi. It's got 3000 PA suction power, carpet detection, visual mapping, and navigation. You can also use a virtual boundary, 200 minutes runtime. This one's also compatible with a self-empty station, and this one can even avoid carpet when using the mopping mode, so you don't have to worry about getting the carpet wet. I want to thank the guys at Yeedi for sending this over to review on the channel. This one's currently 35% off as of this video. I'll leave a link in the description of the video with current pricing and more information. It's a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. It's got a 5200 milliamp hour battery that's going to give you 200 minutes of runtime on a single charge. This one's also compatible with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so it's going to work with a mobile app. This one's also going to work with Alexa and the Google Assistant. Inside the box, you're getting a quick start guide, the usual safety and warranty information. You've got your mopping feature, and some extra cleaning pads. Side cleaning brush. A pretty typical docking station here, and it's got a nice cord reel there on the back as well. Really nice, almost sticky silicone material there on the bottom, just to give it some extra grip so it's not going to be moving around. And then of course your power cord. Pretty simple design here on the top. You've got your camera sensor there on the top, power button as well. You lift the back section up to get to your dustbin. Pretty nice design overall. And then you've also got a cleaning tool under here as well. Power and reset button as well. You get your water tank here that just snaps right onto the back. Side brush just kind of snaps right into place. Up front, you get your charging contacts. Looks like 6 drop sensors on this one. Of course, your main driving wheels. Your main brush is sort of a hybrid silicone and nylon style. Pretty easy to get in and out in order to clean it. Universal wheel. Let's go ahead and get this connected. I'll give you a quick look at what the app looks like. We'll get this charged up, start testing it out, and I'll give you what my first impressions are. Once you download the app, it's just a matter of tapping add a robot, and then just scan the QR code by the dustbin, do a short press on the reset button, and it should just be a step-by-step process. Then all you do is just get it connected to your Wi-Fi. You put your phone over top of the camera as it scans the QR code. Then your robot vacuum should be added to the app. Right on the home page, you've got a couple of shortcuts there for recharge and auto cleaning. Once you're inside the app, you can set up a do not disturb during certain times, so it's not going to be waking you up in the middle of the night. You've also got some shortcuts down here at the bottom like map management, recharge. The play button in the middle is for auto cleaning. And then once you create the map, you can customize it to your liking. You've also got 3 different levels of the vacuum power, cleaning schedule, volume of the voice on here, and then you've also got some cleaning preferences. It's also going to tell you usage of the accessories like the side brush, main brush, filter, and other components. In the cleaning preferences, you can adjust several things like do not disturb, resumed clean, auto boost suction, auto empty, and cleaning sequence. It also shows you what the battery life is at up there in the corner. So the first thing the robot vacuum is going to do is start going around everywhere that it's going to be cleaning to create the initial map. You can even watch it right on the app to see what the map looks like so far. It seems to go in a pretty uniform pattern back and forth until it covers as much as possible, and it appears to be low enough profile so that it fits underneath our furniture, so that's always good to see. The drop sensors also seem to be working pretty good on here. As you can see it go around our steps. It also goes around our doorstop without banging into it too much, so the sensors on this one must be a little more sensitive than some other robot vacuums I've tested. As far as going around objects on the floor, it does a pretty good job at that, fairly similar to others I've tested where it's going to move objects out of the way if it's light enough, but it's pretty gentle, so it shouldn't do any damage. Just be careful leaving your shoes on the floor with shoestrings and charging cables, because most robot vacuums love to eat those up. Now the amount of dirt I put on this rug is a little unrealistic, but I always like to test these robots out as much as possible, and surprisingly it cleaned up quite a bit of the dirt, probably more than I expected. But just like with other robot vacuums, they're gonna work best on hard floors, but are able to clean low profile carpet or rugs occasionally, as long as it's not a crazy amount like what I'm showing here. Good thing is this robot vacuum is not overly loud either like some of the others I've tested. And as long as you know what to expect out of something like this, this is one you should definitely check out, especially when it's on sale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.